a couple of the floating islands. The roots for the vegetation growing topside are visible. The floating islands appear to be in good condition. Fish of varying sizes were observed in many locations under the 2 floating islands that were documented. We're continuing to document the underside of one of the floating islands. The root systems would extend as much as 3 feet below the floating island. On average, the root systems were approximately 12 to 18 inches below the islands. We've now moved over to a second floating island. It appears to be in the same condition as the first island that was documented. In this area, some of the root systems are extending slightly more than 3 feet below the floating island. The floating islands do appear to be in good condition. The two-man dive team has now